On Monday, West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee announced a ban on Sudipto Sen's film The Kerala Story. The film landed in controversy since the release of its trailer. The trailer was criticized for earlier claiming that 32,000 girls from Kerala went missing and joined the terrorist group ISIS later. News agency ANI quoted Mamata Banerjee saying, West Bengal government has decided to ban the movie The Kerala Story. This is to avoid any incident of hatred and violence and to maintain peace in the state. She also said, what is the Kashmir Files? It is to humiliate one section of the society. What is the Kerala Story? She also slammed the CPM government, claiming it to work with the BJP. Reacting to the decision, film producer Vipul Shah said, if that is what she has done, we will take legal action. Whatever is possible under the provisions of law, we will fight.
Earlier, there are some problems. Northeastern is burning now. Earlier, there are some problems in Nagaland and Assam Rifles also. There are also so many people killed. Northeastern is our 8th sister state. Don't you think only at the time of election forcefully will capture their vote? But other time, only they have to see the blood. It is not the problem is today. It is the problem for so many years. And nowadays, it is the man-made problem. What they tried in Bengal also. If the political party play with fire, with casteism or divisionism or divide and rule politics, why this Kashmir Files? To humiliate one section. What is this Kerala Files? Though I don't support the CPM people, I am talking about the people. I am not talking about the CPM party because they are working with BJP. Instead of me, it was their duty to criticize it. But they work together. I'm sorry, I will request the state government chief minister. Very sad that your party is working with BJP. And that BJP is showing the Kerala Files a distorted stories. Even since few days ago, since now, the party nominated some stars nominated by BJP, funded by BJP. They came to Bengal also. And along with some distorted stories, the concocted stories, they are preparing a films, Bengal Files. If they can prepare the Kashmir Files to condemn the Kashmiri people, what is the fault of the people? We respect each and everybody. That is our constitution. Now they defame the Kerala also, Kerala people also, Kerala state also. Then they will every day they are defaming their narrative to defame the Bengal also. Even I came to know that they gave some poster in highest court that saved Bengal. What happened in Bengal? Nothing happened. It's a peaceful, peace-loving state. Why BJP is creating the communal politics? So many puja, so many Eid, so many Gurudwara, so many Christians, all we work together. Never happened this.